Il-minuta tibda issa. Tamara Burr, manager ta' Party Studio. Tamara, il-vjaġġ tiegħek fid-dinja kulturali f'Malta kif beda partikolarment fid-dinja tal-moda?
I went to university, I studied history of art, which has led me to the field of contemporary fashion, and I work for a local atelier at Party Studio.
Kien hemm xi proġett li ħdimt fuqu s'issa li jiddefinixxa tista' tgħid il-karriera tiegħek?
We create collection launches at the studio. All sorts of different artistic mediums come together to create a show which is not just a fashion show, but it's a performance for our audience.
Bħalissa qed taħdem fuq xi proġett li żgur se jinżel tajjeb mal-udjenzi Maltin?
Party Studio is working on a collaboration with Heritage Malta, taking garments from the past in our national collection, and we juxtapose them with garments from the present. We work closely together with the curator and the senior curator to bring together a small exhibition called Couture and Spectacle. Luke takes inspiration from his nocturnal interests, from tarot cards, from astrology, and we've managed to find a garment which also reflects this in the national collection. So we're presenting this for 2 months at the Inquisitor's Palace.